like that. And now my hands are cold.
Hey, Papa.
Have some carrot, I'll tell you.
We just restocked our camo hat and then dropped the 2 new hats, this corduroy brown and our heritage hat in lucky green. Took me a little bit longer to get things ready than I thought, so a little bit of scramble there at the end before drop time, which is always kind of, I don't know, nerve-wracking just because people are waiting on the website and it needs to be ready. Anyways, we just moved offices and warehouse spaces, so I'm gonna go downstairs and start getting everything organized. It's kind of chaotic. Okay, let's just check on some of these orders. Did you bring the boxes over from in there? If you guys have been following along for a while, this is how we started 112. It was custom sneakers and boots. Kind of showcase where we started and how it all came to be. And he made me this probably like 5 or 6 years ago. And I love it so much.
Creamy bolognese, cheesy creamy red sauce bolognese. Oh, that looks good.
Another pasta dish.
See what you got. Passing the torch.
It's kind of hard.
Find. See those set legs.
Oh.
Go straight down. Oh, put your thumb, this thumb, underneath here, on the bottom. Yep. Oh yeah. See?
Yeah, nice.
Little things you learn. And then the picture.
I'm Chef Andy. Good morning. TikTok's banned.
Yes.
Andy.
Finally, I get my family back. Lucy's always on TikTok. Lily's always on TikTok.
Do I think it'll stay banned? No. But it's gonna be banned for like 2 days today and then tomorrow. Actually, not even, like 1 day. I think this is a good learning lesson actually for people. Not being able to go on it and then realizing how like addicted we actually are, or people actually are, to like clicking on the app. It is when it's a Sunday and there's hair on the floor, cleaning time. Like this is from 1 or 2 days of not vacuuming. That's what happens when you have 2 golden retrievers, but it's so worth it. No, it really is worth it. I would vacuum up any amount of hair meant that we could have Moose and Beckley.
Oh! I can't do anything around here without being...
Right out the door to run errands. Quick outfit of the day. It's freezing out, but I'm only gonna wear this fleece because I feel like I'm not gonna be outside that much. But this is from Cezanne. It's Andy's. I got it for him a few months ago, and it's the coziest oversized fleece. These are my sweatpant jeans from Rag & Bone. I swear by these things. I wear them like every single day in the winter. I have 2 pairs, and they're literally sweatpants, but they look like jeans, so you feel more put together. And then these I recently got, their Uggs, and I'm obsessed with them. I saw a girl wearing them in Jackson Hole when we went for Andy's game, and I was like, where are those from? And she said Uggs. So I went online and I immediately bought them. I need to clean this mirror. This is the next thing on my to-do list when we get back home, but let's go run some errands in the negative 10-degree weather. This should be fun. We also have to give the dogs a bath, and we're thinking of taking them to the dog wash station at the car wash, but that sounds kind of miserable, honestly, so we'll see. Back from the gym, and it's negative 5 degrees outside. My nose hair literally froze while we were walking. Holy moly. Andy,
Yes.
I don't know if I've experienced this colder weather in a long time.
Yeah, my nose hairs are...
Noses are so red. I walked on the treadmill. I can't even talk because my mouth is so cold. I just did the treadmill for like 35 minutes on incline.
She's back to being more normal. Look, she's actually wagging her tail. Oh! Cinnamon chip muffin.
No.
No? Alright. Bagels?
No, this is all in your mouth. Mika.
Oh, these good
They're not organic.
What is it? Peppers?
Yeah.
Yeah, scrap them. Salmon. Lobster. What's up? How are you?
We're at Costco because we needed to come here to get dog food. So we're getting a few extra things, and it's so busy. Honestly, Costco kind of scares me, but oh my god, I can't even move this cart. Costco intimidates me. I don't know why. Oh my gosh. Something about Costco, I can't. It's so overwhelming, and I get like so much anxiety walking through those aisles. It really overwhelms me. Hi, baby. Did you miss us? Got some necessities. We get dog food from Costco, so that's pretty much why we come here. It's pretty cheap and it's good dog food, so that works. And we go through a lot of dog food, obviously, with 2 big golden retrievers, so that's the main reason. And then we stocked up on some butter, some milk. Actually, no, we did not get milk. I tried to buy one singular milk and it didn't work, obviously. I think you have to buy it by the case. Some steak, got some vegetables and some fruit. That's the one good thing, is they do have a lot of organic produce at Costco, so that's nice. But yeah, it's a very overwhelming place.
Go in knowing kind of what you're gonna get. It's not that bad. But once we start freestyling,
Yeah.
it's no good.
A lot of junk in there, I feel like.
So much junk.
There's so much junk.
So like we went in knowing I wanted to get some steak, which was good. We wanted to get some dog food. We wanted to get some sparkling water, and maybe some vegetables and fruit. We got all that, and then once we started,
Besides
like I said, freestyling,
Yeah.
we're like, ooh, maybe we get the pretzel bites, and it's like, no, we don't want the pretzel bites. Maybe we get the pigs in a blanket. And it's just like, well, what are we doing here? We just gotta get out.
Yeah. 3 toys for $12.
It's a bargain.
That's so good. All right, here's an overview of what we got from Whole Foods and Costco. This is like my favorite purchase of the day. I don't know if I like strawberry vanilla, but we'll see. I love the root beer. These coffee beans my dad really likes, so I got them for like us to all share because it's 2.5 pounds of coffee and it was a really good deal. Grass-fed butter, a bunch of apples. These made me laugh. They're called Crunchy Munchy Organic Snack Apples, and obviously they're probably for kids, but we like Gala apples. And then some spring mix, a good amount of steak for 40 bucks, which is really nice. These are from Whole Foods. And then sweet potatoes. I like Doritos. These are like basically organic Doritos and they're so good. Really good ingredients. Got some juice, hydration drink. I really like this brand, Core Organics. And then 2 immunity shots because it's winter and it's -5 degrees out and people are getting sick. This is all for the football game tonight, college football championship. So got some, you know, football food. We're out of milk, so got some milk. And these protein shakes are my favorite ever. I drink them all the time. They didn't have the vanilla. I usually get the vanilla, so we'll see if I like the chocolate. I'm not super optimistic about it, but I think Annie will drink them if I don't.
He's laying on one and chewing the other one.
Organized fridge. Do we have powder?
What?
Do we have powder?